Hello my friends, Aspen here. I'm at the place Wave Power Plant just outside of Bergen. This is a place that stopped working for 30 years ago. It was a failure, you can say, in many ways. It was crushed by the sea, so the Wave Power Plant didn't work as good as they thought. You can see the control tower over there, and you have the pool down here, and you can see over there where the waves are crushing in, and some kind of function made the power plant, wave power plant, to work and produce electricity. This was in many ways a test project, and but it was a failure. It didn't work. I think it was operational for about 3 years before it shut down. So that's 30 years ago, and this is actually an open area where you can walk and explore. You have to be a little bit careful because this place is quite it's a lot of weather here. It's you have the sea, the open sea out here, and there's a lot of waves coming in here. But this is a really nice day to explore this area because it's so nice weather today. So I just shot a little bit with my Mini 2, and this is a place you normally can't use your drone at all because it's constantly windy, but today it looks like a nice day. So I'm gonna go down here and see if it's possible to walk to the other side. So let's do that. Rock climbing. Är det glatt? So you have to be extremely careful here without any safety.